The real reason most beginning affiliate marketers fail isn't your content. It's opening up your laptop every morning with no idea what steps to take to actually get traffic and grow your business. I know that feeling. You sit down, coffee in hand, the kids are finally occupied for 5 minutes, and then you just stare at your screen. You know you're supposed to be doing something, but what? Post on Instagram, write a blog, watch another YouTube tutorial, and hope that something clicks this time? So you end up scrolling, maybe watching a few videos, and then closing your laptop an hour later feeling like you accomplished absolutely nothing. And then the guilt hits you because that was your work window and it feels like it was wasted. The problem is not that you're not smart enough. It's not that you're not working hard enough. It's that most beginning affiliate marketers don't actually have a system. They have a collection of random tips from random people on the internet, and none of it connects the dots into a clear daily plan of what to do. So every single day feels like starting over from scratch. And the courses out there that want you to pay thousands of dollars and then just dump 50 hours of training in your lap and say good luck. As moms trying to squeeze this stuff in between snack time and math lessons, we don't have 50 hours. And if you're at all like me when I started out, you're begging for somebody to just tell you what you should do today. Not next month, not next week, literally today. What do I do when I open my computer today? And that's exactly what I'm going to walk you through right now. Because there's a new dashboard that I've been using every single day that has literally changed everything for me. It's called the Traffic Maestro, and I'm going to show you the daily steps that it gives you to follow for your marketing. So picture this. You open up your dashboard in the morning, and this is exactly what you see. The Traffic Maestro dashboard. It's going to give you these 3 bullet points that you need to check off every day with check boxes for every step that you're going to take. The first bullet point is to grow yourself. Personal development is a huge thing inside the Home Business Academy. Our mentors are always talking about growing your knowledge, growing your mind, and improving yourself. So this is a check box that they put on the Traffic Maestro because you can't grow your business if you're not growing yourself. So the checkbox is just, I learned something new today. And that can mean anything. It's open to your interpretation. You read for 5 minutes this morning. You watched a training video. You listened to an interesting podcast that taught you something. You can also do this step by using our $10 product called Let's Go, which is a personalized morning routine and personal planner. So you check off, I learned something today. The second bullet point is the most amount of steps. It's called Grow Your Income. It has 5 steps. Give direct invitations, which we have a tool for that's going to help you give invitations without feeling uncomfortable and nervous about it, and give invitations that have been proven to actually convert into leads. The next step is follow up with responses. So any invitations you sent yesterday and people responded to you, just follow it up. And we teach you how to do that inside the Home Business Academy affiliate training. Leave thoughtful comments on 3 friends' posts. So literally just go to your Facebook feed and comment on posts of 3 different people. Now, it says thoughtful comments. So not just saying like cool or nice view or something. Like you have to say something that actually is going to spark conversation, that actually is thoughtful and meaningful. And we also teach you how to do that inside of HBA Premium. Leave thoughtful replies to comments left on your posts. So as you post content every day, you're going to get comments on your content. So you go and leave thoughtful replies to everybody who comments on your posts. Add or accept 3 new friends. So if you're getting friend requests, accept a couple of them. Go on Facebook groups and find other people that are engaging in those groups. Friend those people. Go to your friends of friends suggestions and invite 3 new friends. All of these steps every day usually take me less than 30 minutes. Now, you have to not get distracted by Facebook, which is why the checklist exists, because it gives you a limit. It says you don't need to be scrolling and commenting on everybody's Facebook post in your entire Facebook feed. You just need to leave 3 thoughtful comments and then be done. You don't need to be on Facebook all day. Okay? So all of these steps takes me less than 30 minutes every day. The last step, give value and grow your audience. This means content. And these are the different kinds of content that it will help you make. Long form videos for YouTube, short form videos for YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, Facebook posts, emails, because you're going to want to start developing an email list, and we're going to help you do that actually with the links that we provide in HBA Premium. And we also have an AI image generator that's going to help you generate images for your content with your face on them, if that's what you want to do. You can obviously also use your own photos, just raw photos that you've taken, but we do have this tool available for creating images. And this is specifically talking about creating a quote image to put on your Facebook page for just a simple piece of content if you don't have a lot of time. So all of these buttons are going to walk you through creating that piece of content based on your own voice and your own brand that you created in the onboarding. And that is literally it. 3 steps between education, growth, and adding value, posting content. This does not take me more than 2 hours a day. And then I'm done, and I know that I've moved the needle. I know that I've made progress in my business. So now, instead of that sinking feeling that you get every morning opening your computer, there's a clear checklist waiting for you, telling you exactly what steps to take in your marketing today. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Okay, but I don't want to become one of those people. I don't want to be pushy or salesy or feel like I'm putting out fake copy and paste content. And I get it. I felt the exact same way. I don't want to be copy and pasting generic marketing content onto my page. I want people to see me. I want it to be my brand and my story. But this is the truth. You can streamline and automate your marketing while still feeling like yourself. Being honest, being genuine, recommending things that you actually believe in. You do not need sleazy sales tactics. You do not need fake hype. And you do not need to pretend that your life is perfect. In the Home Business Academy, we do marketing with integrity. That's literally the way that the system is designed to work. It helps you build a brand that is 100% you through an in-depth onboarding system that every new member goes through. And there's one more thing you need to hear, because this was a big one for me. You do not need to be an expert to do this, okay? You do not need to know everything about funnels or email sequences or ad strategies. You just need a team of experts that's cheering you on. The founders of the Home Business Academy are on live coaching calls 5 days a week. 5 days a week. That means that when you're stuck at 10 o'clock at night with a problem, wondering what you did wrong, and not knowing how in the heck you're supposed to move forward, you don't have to just keep blindly Googling and hoping for answers. You bring it to the next day's call. You get help from people who've actually already figured it out. And that kind of support is extremely rare in home business. And it's one thing that I think keeps people going when they would have quit anywhere else. I was trying to learn all of this before on my own. I was piecing together information from gurus on the internet, and I was afraid to actually invest in anything because I was worried it wouldn't work out. And I was going nowhere. And having people who actually walk beside you and show you what to do next, it changes everything. The best part about all of this, especially for single income families who don't have money burning holes in their pockets, this is not a $1,000 investment. It's only $35 to get inside and see what everything is about. If anything that I've shown you today resonates with you, or even if you're just a little bit curious and you want to see more about our products, our affiliate program, and our commission structure, then check out the link in the comments, and I'm going to be here cheering you on the whole time. Bye for now.